S words on the way. Morning.
Good morning. Yes, and for some of us, we already have snow, Dan. This morning, what we have also are icy patches. Now, it's a risk on untreated surfaces, so pavements, alike rural areas. If you are travelling, bear that in mind. We've had a band of rain go through. Temperatures are low behind, so freezing on contact for some. Sunny spells will be the order of the day for some of us. Wintry showers, prolific, and there's also a cold wind. So there's a lot going on with the weather today. You can see this band of rain, sleet and hill snow, which has now all but cleared East Anglia. It's already cleared Kent. But behind it, we're still pulling in all those showers, and they still are wintry in nature. Wintry means you've got a mixture of snow, sleet, hail and thunder and lightning in them. So this morning, a lot of blue skies across parts of Scotland. The risk of ice, it's minus 5.2 at the moment in Loch Glascarnoch, but still all those wintry showers coming in. They're heavy currently across Argyll and Bute, and we'll see them across Dumfries and Galloway too. All of these snow showers in Northern Ireland, Northern England and Wales are falling on areas that could well be frozen, so could be quite treacherous for you first thing. But you can see a lot of sunshine as well. Now through the day, particularly into the afternoon, the snow showers get a bit more organised and they move from the west towards the east. So it could be an interesting rush hour anywhere from Northumberland down towards Kent, as that little trough producing those snow showers continues to move out towards the North Sea. Temperature-wise, well, no great shakes, 2 to about 4, something a little bit milder in the southwest at 7. Now through this evening and overnight, we still will have a lot of wintry showers to start the night. The temperature will drop like a rock as soon as sun sets, and we're going to see the risk once again of ice on untreated surfaces and also some freezing fog, especially northwest England and southern Scotland, but not exclusively necessarily. So temperature-wise, you see what I mean, talking about frost. These are the temperatures you can expect in towns and cities. In rural areas, they will be lower than this. So as I mentioned, the risk of ice. So as we head through the course of tomorrow, we start off with wintry showers, coastal counties of the east, and we'll hang on to them on and off through the course of the day. Like today, there's showers, so not all of us will catch them. Drier interludes behind with some brightness, but you can see too, another system coming into the west is going to introduce more cloud and some drizzle and some patchy light rain, and the showers continue across the north and the west. By the time we get to Thursday, a cold and frosty start, but this system coming in will introduce more cloud, bring in some light rain with it, so it won't be as cold. And then it's not going to be as cold on Friday or Saturday, but then the temperatures drop once again on Sunday. Lou and Dan.
Thank you very much for that, Carol. Nice to see this.
Good morning. It certainly is. Wow, that's amazing. This morning, watch out when you're travelling for ice on untreated surfaces. We've had a band of rain that's gone through, and behind it, it's pretty cold. So do bear that in mind. Sunny spells, though, will be the order for the day for some of us, but there are still wintry showers in the forecast, and some of those will be more prolific as we go through the afternoon. And there's a cold wind to boot as well. Now, we had this band of rain here, which has now cleared East Anglia and Kent, but it moved through bringing rain, hail, snow and sleet. And behind it, with the low temperatures, there's the risk of ice. But look at all the showers packing in, and a lot of those are wintry showers. So first thing this morning, if you haven't yet stepped out, it's cold. Locally, there's some frost, but increasingly it's going to brighten up in the east with lengthy spells of sunshine. The showers continuing in the west, they are wintry. That means a mix of snow, sleet, rain, thunder and lightning and hail. Now through the course of the day you'll find the carry on across western Scotland, and as we come south they carry on too across parts of Northern Ireland. Further east that you are, the brighter the skies are likely to be. Still the risk of ice here and there. And again, it's the same too across Northern England. We'll see those showers as they drift over towards the east. Anywhere from Northumberland all the way down towards the south coast could catch one, but the showers, so not all of us will. Whereas behind them, brighter skies and the odd wintry shower. So this evening's rush hour could be quite treacherous across eastern areas before that band more or less moves away. There'll still be some stragglers left behind, and there'll still be some wintry showers coming in across the west. Now some of those will gather together across parts of Wales, the Northwest Midlands, Cheshire, Merseyside for example. So tomorrow morning you could wake up to a dusting of snow at lower levels. The other thing tonight, freezing fog patches are likely to form. most likely across northwest England and southern Scotland, but we could see them in other areas as well. And these are the temperatures you can expect in towns and cities. In rural areas, they will be much lower than this. -9 is quite possible in Aberdeenshire. So once again, we are looking at the risk of ice and also frost. Tomorrow then, a lot of sunshine around. We still will have some of these wintry flurries coming in across eastern coastal counties, still also across the north and west of Scotland. And then we have another system sweeping in from the west, introducing more cloud and eventually some drizzle and some patchy light rain. Temperatures tomorrow, well, around about 3 or 4 generally, but in the southwest, something a little bit higher. By the time we get to Thursday, once again, it's going to be a cold and a frosty start to the day. Here's our system coming in. Ahead of it, more cloud will build. And as it comes in across Northern Ireland, it will start to bring in some rain. And that will spread across western parts of Scotland, England and Wales. Here too, temperatures up a touch. Still cold the further east that you travel. By the time we get to Friday, actually, temperatures will be up a little bit, as they will on Saturday. But then on Sunday, they're back down again. Lou and Dan.
Oh, Carol, thank you.